It's getting harder than ever for the average person to get a job, build wealth, or even feel secure about the future. Why? Because the very skills that use to open doors, the basic entry-level ones, are now being automated by AI. If your entire job happens behind a screen, chances are an AI agent can do it faster, cheaper, and without lunch breaks. That sounds terrifying, and for many people it is, because this isn't just about competing with workers overseas anymore. You're now competing with robots that never sleep. But here's the truth most people miss. Every major shift in history that replaced jobs also created new wealth for those who adapted first. The printing press, the internet, the smartphone, and now, artificial intelligence. Yes, AI is replacing jobs. But for the people willing to learn, experiment, and stay curious, this shift is going to create more millionaires than any time in history. I get it. Watching technology take over human work feels unfair. It feels personal. But denying it won't stop it. The only question that matters is, will you fight the wave or learn to surf it? Let me explain what I mean. If I offered you 1 penny today, you'd probably laugh. But what if I told you that penny would double every day for a month? By day 10, you'd have about $5. By day 20, more than 5,000. And by day 30, over $5 million. That's the power of compounding. It starts slow, almost invisible, and then suddenly it explodes. Right now, AI is in that early stage. It looks clumsy, it makes mistakes, and people say, it's not that smart. But every single day, it's learning. Every prompt, every data set, every user interaction, it compounds. The people who are learning alongside AI right now are setting themselves up for exponential growth. They're teaching it, training it, integrating it into their workflow, while everyone else is still debating whether AI is good or bad. Most people will laugh at AI today, just like people once laughed at the internet. But a few, the curious ones, will see what's coming. And when the rest of the world wakes up, those few will already be years ahead. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare and how to turn this AI revolution into your biggest opportunity ever. Because the question isn't if AI will change your life, it's whether you'll be ready when it does.